Now we are going to study about dictionary. So a dictionary in Python is a collection of data. So it's a collection of data in key value pairs. So it is a collection of data. അത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കുറേ ഡേറ്റാസിനെ കളക്ഷൻ നമുക്ക് ഡേറ്റാനെ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സാധനമാണ് ഡിക്ഷണറി. ആൻഡ് ആ ഡേറ്റ ഇരിക്കുന്നത് in the form of key value pairs. So it's a collection of data in key value pairs. Each key must be unique. So here the key must be unique and it is associated with a value. So here the key is unique and associated with each key there will be a value. So Python dictionary can store pairs of keys and values. Each key is linked to a specific value. So each key there is a specific value. Once stored in a dictionary, we can later obtain the value using just the key. So once we store these values or these key value pairs into the dictionary, we can later retrieve those through the key. Okay, so the characteristics of dictionaries are unordered, unique, and mutable. So can we just look on these three characteristics? So unordered, the items in the dictionary are stored without any index value, which is typically a range of numbers. That is, the items in the dictionary items are stored without any index value. There will be no index value, which is typically a range of numbers. So they are stored as key value pairs, and the keys are the index, which will not be in any sequence. So oru sequence madriyalla, it will not be stored as indexes, but it will be stored as keys. Okay, key value pairs and key okay, it acts like an index. Okay, through key we can access those values. So hence it is stored through keys. Okay, so it is unordered because there is no particular sequence of it. And the next one is unique. As mentioned above, each value has a key. So the keys in the dictionary should be unique. In order to achieve those, retrieve those values, we need to have keys which is unique, right? So it should be unique. If we store any value with a key that already exists, then most recent value will replace the old value. So what happens is, if we store a key which is having the same name or the key which already exists, what happens is the recent value will replace the old value. Okay, so these dictionaries are mutable. We have learned that strings are immutable, so dictionaries are mutable. Okay, so using the following three ways to create a dictionary. So before looking onto the creation, just look, there is a name and there are curly braces, and within the curly braces we will write key 1 colon value 1 likewise. Okay, so there are following three ways to create a dictionary using curly brackets. The dictionaries are created by enclosing the comma, separation key is there as well, and where's comma? Yeah, there's a comma and the separation key as well. Value pairs inside the curly braces, and the colon is used to separate the key and the value pairs. This is how we normally create a dictionary. So using dict constructor also we can create the dictionary. Create a dictionary by passing the comma separation key value pair inside the dict. So നമുക്കൊരു dict constructor യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും using sequence having each item as a pair. Sequence ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും having each item as a pair key value. Using sequence, using the dict constructor, and using curly braces. Now we learned how to do curly braces, right? This is how you create a dictionary.